Okay, we have an MSC VALUEMASTER engine lathe, model 1440G, serial number 1JA013. We're going to run it for you. It's 14 inch swing, 20 inches in the gap by 40 in centers. He's running at a low RPM right now. You have from 22 up to 1200 RPM. It has a Camlock D16 spindle. Machine also has an Accurite 2-axis digital readout. This machine has a taper turning attachment, a 3-jaw chuck, a 4-jaw chuck, steady rest, follow rest, tool post, faceplate. Well-equipped machine. Drill chuck for the tailstock, center for the headstock. Going a little bit faster. Forward and reverse. Okay. Machine also has a 2 1/16 inch hole through the spindle. All right, we're going quite a bit faster. We're going to engage the threading. We're threading. You can see on the digital readout that the lead screw is engaged, half nut's kicked out. Now we're going to do feed. It's engaging the feed bar. All right, feed's turning, and we are longitudinal watching on the digital readout. Okay, cross feed. Let it go for a bit. Okay, you can see the hand wheel turning. Okay. Tailstock's number 4 more taper with 5.5 inches of travel. You see it's got a drill chuck in there. Again, that's a foot brake. You have that other equipment that goes with it. Hey, thank you for watching our video.